Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Pontiac GTO. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Pontiac is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.